Hello everyone, today we are solving TCS Java Test 2's 35-mark problem involving object-oriented programming in Java. We will be working with a class called laptop and our task is to manage a list of these laptops and perform two specific operations on them. So let me break it down for you in simple terms. We need to create two classes, one laptop class. This will represent a laptop with specific attributes like ID, brand, operating system, price, and rating. These attributes can be public or private, and we will discover a constructor needs to set these values when we create an object, and optionally code create getter and setter methods to access or modify them. Second, solution class. This will have the main method, which is our program's entry point. Inside this class, we're going to implement two static methods that perform specific tasks. Task 1, count of laptops by brand. This method will take me in an array of laptop objects and a brand name was like a string. Our goal is that to count how many laptops of that brand could have a rating greater than 3. Or if we don't find any laptops matching the criteria key, we simply return 0. However, if I do find matching laptops, we return the count in the main method. If the count is 0, we print a message saying the given brand is not available. Otherwise, we print the count. Task 2, search laptop BIOS type. This method will also take in an array of laptop objects but will search for laptops that match a specific operating system like Windows, Ubuntu, etc. But here's the twist: we need to return the laptop sorted by their laptop ID in descending order. If no laptop is found with that OS, we return null. Well, the main method or we find matching laptops, we can print their ID and rating. The we print the given OS is not available. Now, for the input part, and the program case will show us 4 laptops details as inputs. This kind of details include the laptop's ID, brand, OS, price, and rating. Then so it will take 2 additional inputs, one for the brand and another or for the OS. After that, our program will use count of laptops by brand to check how many laptops from that brand have a rating greater than 3. Use search laptop by OS type to find laptops with the given OS and print their IDs on ratings. Let's say the user inputs the following details. Laptop 1 with ID 123, brand HP, OS Windows, price 3500, rating 5. Laptop 2 with ID 124, brand Apple, OS Mac OS, price 7000, rating 5. Laptop 3 with ID 125, brand Dell, OS Ubuntu, price 3000, rating 4. Laptop 4 with ID 126, brand HP, OS Windows, price 4000, rating 4. The user then inputs HP as the brand and Windows as the OS. For the first task, the program will search for HP laptops with a rating greater than 3. In this case, both the laptops with IDs 123 and 126 meet the criteria. So the output will be 2. For the second task, the program will search for laptops with the OS Windows and print their IDs and ratings in descending order of ID. The output will be ID 126 on rating, current copy for ID 123 and rating copy of B5. If no laptops match the brand or OS, the program will print appropriate messages. Let's quickly go over the code that solves the laptop problem we just discussed. It's a pretty straightforward implementation. Step 1 is to create a laptop class. First, we create a laptop class. This class will represent the properties of each laptop, such as laptop ID, brand, OS type, price, rating. All of these properties will actually be public. You can make it private and add getters and setters to access them if you want. I will use a constructor to set these values when we create a laptop object. Step 2 is to create a solution class with main method. Step 3. We create a static method called count of laptops by brand here. This method takes an array of laptops and a brand name as inputs. It loops through the array and checks for laptops that match the brand and have a rating greater than 3. It returns the count of these laptops KB. If none are found, it returns 0. In the main method, we print the count if it is 0, we print the given brand is not available. Step 4, we also create another static method called search laptop by OS type. This method takes an array of laptops and OS type as inputs. It searches for laptops that match the given OS regardless of case. Then when it sorts the laptops in descending order and with their laptop IDs. And if no laptops are found with the OS, it returns nully. Or in the main method, if laptops are found, we print their IDs on ratings. If not, we print the given OS is not available. Finally, we use the scanner class to take input from the user for 4 laptops, including their IDs, brands, OS, prices, or ratings. We also take the brand and OS as inputs. The program then calls the 2 methods we created and prints the results accordingly. That's the basic structure of the code. It's simple but effective. We are dealing with objects and performing specific queries on a list of laptops. Hope this explanation made the code clearer for you, Ba. If you liked me this breakdown, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more coding content. Thanks for watching.